Good morning, half a day Guam. My name is Jeremy, owner and operator of Cherry Detailing. Today we got a 2018 Dodge Ram 1500. I'm going to show you from start to finish of a 6-year ceramic coating, which will be done on this vehicle. We're going to be starting with the wash, which is the wheels, tire, wheel wells, pre-rinse, foam, wash, chemical decon, clay bar, and then from there we tape up everything, wipe down any oils left from the wash or the decontamination part, and then we're gonna get into the multi-stage buff and polish. But for now, I want to show you guys the before and after of this vehicle. We're gonna wash it first and show you what's underneath all this dirt. Okay guys, so we got done with the wash and the prep stage. Now we're gonna wipe down the vehicle, removing any oils left behind from the soap or clay bar or even from the iron decon. But before we even start polishing, we gotta tape up some of these black trims and the door handles, stuff like that. And then we're also gonna, I have here a paint gauge. Paint gauge pretty much gauges us how much clear coat is left on the vehicle. So we're gonna go around and gauge it. Pretty much it just goes like this. get the paint gauge, and put it on your paint. It'll tell you how much paint is left, and this paint gauge will measure everything, not just the clear coat, but also the primer, the metal, and if there's any fillers and the regular body paint as well. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do this, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. We're gonna polish the Dodge now. We washed the car, we prepped the car, we wiped it down, we taped up all the blacks that can possibly be stained from the polish. Now we're gonna get into the first stage, which is the cutting side, which is buff. We're gonna buff and cut the swirls away and whatever imperfections we possibly can with our first stage paint correction, and then we're gonna go into the second stage, which is the finishing. Keep watching, and I hope you guys enjoying the video. So it's day 2. Yesterday we did a buff, which is, we did an aggressive buff and polish, pretty much removing majority of the imperfections like the swirls, water spots and all that. Now we're gonna go in with a polish with our black finishing pad and some finishing polish, get into the coating application. coat, we got our lights, we got our rags, we got our mini light, and we got our ceramic coating. Just missing some gloves, but other than that, we got done with everything from the first stage correction part to the second stage polish and finishing. And then now we're gonna wipe down the entire car, removing any oils left behind from the buffing and the polishing stage. And then we're gonna get into the ceramic coating application. And when we ceramic coat, we like to work, it doesn't matter. I like to work on the top going down. Other people got different preferences, but yeah, it doesn't really matter where you start as long as once you start, you keep going from there. And now we're gonna start.